Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
This video shows how to display 2 clocks on your Android lock screen step by step. You need Android 12 or newer and a phone that supports lock screen widgets. Make sure you know both time zones you want to display, for example New York and London. We will use settings, lock screen options, and the clock widget configuration to add a second clock. Follow each step and test immediately on the lock screen. Keep your device unlocked for setup, then lock to verify the dual clock display. First, open Settings on your Android device and tap Lock Screen to access widget controls. Tap Widgets or Lock Screen Widgets depending on your model, then tap Add Widget to choose a clock. Select either Dual Clock or World Clock if available, and then pick your second time zone, such as London or Tokyo. Adjust the widget position on the preview area so both clocks are visible. Finally, tap Save or Apply, and lock the screen to confirm both clocks appear together. To customize formats, open the Clock app and choose 12-hour or 24-hour display for both clocks. If the lock screen prevents widgets, open Security Settings and enable lock screen widgets or notifications on lock screen. You can also clear cache for clock and settings apps if widgets fail to update. Reboot the device after changes and reapply the widget if needed. If your Android version lacks dual widgets, consider a third-party lock screen app that supports 2 clocks and follow its specific setup steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.